Hello everyone, and welcome to the kickoff for the inaugural Jackson Alley Film Festival. We are so excited to have this many people participating. 6 teams, 38 people for our first festival. Now, the teams. We tried our best to create well-rounded teams, but there are no rules against recruiting more folks if you need them. We didn't assign specific roles either. You as a team may come together to work out these details. With that said, our first team, Team Spielberg, Patrick Jimenez, Ben Smith, Joe Kinzer, Joseph Clark, Ty Williams, Brooke Wooten, Chase Butner. Our next team, Team Scorsese, Kat McClung, Noah Eastland, Taylor Moore, Mary Cheeks, DeAndre Anderson, Erica Harris. Team Del Toro, Hanson Alford, Honest Clark, Christina Jones, Chris Hallman, Alex Morgan, Peter Donnelly. Team Lee, Devontae Banks, Brandon Crossland, Joe Palmer, Jesse Adair, Brianna Finley, Ray Dozier. Team Bigelow, Peyton Henry, Karina Galvin, Samuel Crockett, Dakota Stewart, Juan Romero, Henry Kilpatrick, Derica Jones. And finally, Team Coppola, Lindsay Cook, Tiara Hall, Bryce Beamont, Tia Jones, Lizzie Patterson, Allie Pace. And let's not forget our theme. The theme for this year's festival is Everything's Fine. That's the phrase. Do with it what you will, whatever it means to you. Also, we have one more little detail. We would like all films to incorporate, are you ready? A coffee cup. You decide how that works. A literal coffee cup or some other inventive way to incorporate the idea or phrase. It's your call. Remember, have fun. The deadline for the films is Friday, April 20th. There are still 2 more workshops coming up as well on editing and credits. Keep checking the website for more information. See you Thursday, April 26th for the film festival. Break a leg!